Have you been a victim of phishing scams, spoofing, fraud, and other account security issues in online and digital banking? In this video, we show you the different ways to avoid all these issues and keep your online and digital banking safe and secure. If you want to get updates on our new uploads, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and tap on the bell, so you'll be notified when we have new content. Thanks, and let's get rolling. Here are some ways to keep your digital bank accounts safe and secure. Number 1. Never share your account details. Number 2. Secure your password. Number 3. Be cautious of phishing scams. Number 4. Sign up for banking alerts. Number 5. Be careful with public Wi-Fi. And number 6. Set transaction limits. What other safe online banking tips can you share? We'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips will help you keep your online and digital banking accounts safe and secure. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap on the bell, so you'll be notified when we have new videos. See you soon!